Some of the healthiest recipes are also the simplest. Today I am making soft and delicious Ragi Dosa, a comforting homemade breakfast that is both nourishing and satisfying. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. Let's begin. In a bowl, add half cup of ragi and half cup of goan parboiled rice. Wash 3 times with water, then soak overnight. In the morning, rinse again with water. Then transfer the ragi and rice into a mixer jar. Ragi is a wonderful ingredient and is naturally very nutritious. Add half cup of grated coconut, water, half teaspoon of salt as required. Cover with the lid and grind. Blending everything together gives the dosa a smooth batter. Now we will transfer this into a large bowl. Since there was some mixture remaining in the mixer jar, I added water to it and now I am transferring it into the bowl. Now I am adding little water and I'll mix this well. This is the consistency of the batter. I'll cover this with a plate and let it rest for 10 minutes. We'll stir it. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of fruit salt. I'm adding little water and we'll mix this. If you don't want to add fruit salt, you can skip it. Mix well. Now we'll place a pan on medium flame. Heat some clarified butter in it. Now we will pour 1 ladle of the batter and spread like this. Cover with the lid and let it cook for a few seconds. You can see the surface slowly cooking. Once it's cooked, remove from the pan. These ragi dosas have turned out really nice, soft and perfect for a healthy breakfast. And just like that, our ragi dosa is ready. Simple and healthy, perfect for breakfast or even a light meal. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Do like, share and subscribe for more recipes. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.